Hi, this is Giles Kennedy with Crossroads OVR YouTube channel, as well as Ohio Valley Rail's website, Facebook page, Columbus Wired, and Ohio Operation Lifesaver. Just to kind of give you an update, I'm doing well, doing great with my new job. Well, new as January as it is, with Napa Auto Parts. I'm one of the assistant managers at the Silver Drive location in Columbus, Ohio. I'm grateful for my family and friends supporting what I do, but just know that my family and job comes first. If I'm able to get out to an event, great. Otherwise, I'll see you trackside when I see you trackside. But that being said, there's plenty of events coming up. Coming up Saturday, June 7th, Train Aficionado, aka Jonathan Hickens, and the recently elected president of the Cincinnati Railroad Club, and several other rail fans are meeting up in Hamilton, Ohio. Please look at the links in the description, as well as follow him on socials, whether it be YouTube, his social media presence, so on and so forth. We're also going to be engaging with a lot of people on the North Bend Flyer. That is coming up pretty soon. That'll be at the end of the month. Be looking forward to have you folks out there. It is going to be Sunday, June 29th. Get your tickets on Ohio Rail Experience's website. And it's a very affordable, shorter ride than the longer rides. If you're able to go one of the longer rides, by all means, the folks at the Cincinnati Railway Company, who also manages the Lebanon, Mason, and Monroe Railroad, put on a great operation. It's a great day for the family to get out. So any chance you get out to travel and experience life, as well as experience life by rail, it's a great thing to do. I'll be also volunteering at the Ohio State Fair on the very last Sunday on behalf of Ohio Operation Lifesaver. Always remember, see tracks, think trains, anytime is train time. Please be mindful. I do try to get my advance notices for any events that are coming up. If you do want me to be there as an Operation Lifesaver authorized volunteer, please email me. If I'm not able to, I will reach out to Alan Stoddard, our state coordinator. We'll try to get a volunteer out to your event or your group to speak on general railroad safety and safety around railroad crossings. Again, enjoy the footage of the trains. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.